Hello everyone, welcome back to the ARTAN'S teaching, the place where we unlock success, the smart learning. Let me ask you something. Have you ever understood English but couldn't speak it when it mattered most? Maybe at an interview, in class, or during a conversation with a foreigner. You are not alone. Today we are answering the big question. Why must we learn spoken English in today's world? And trust me, this video could change the way you think. Think about this. You know the answer, you have the knowledge, but when it's time to speak in English, your brain freezes. Opportunity gone, confidence crushed. That's why spoken English isn't just nice to have, it's a life-changing skill. Let me explain exactly why. English is the most widely spoken second language in the world. Over 1.5 billion people speak English, from students to CEOs. When you speak English, you can travel easily, study abroad, work internationally, connect with people from different cultures. Spoken English is equal to global freedom. Whether you are in Tokyo, Toronto, or Dhaka, English will help you connect with the world. Let's be honest. Most top-paying jobs require communication skills in English. Multinational companies, English interviews. University scholarships, English essays and presentations. Freelancing, remote jobs, tech support, aviation, IT, all in English. If you speak English well, you instantly become more valuable in the job market. Fluent spoken English is equal to confidence, respect, more income. Over 60% of online content is in English. Want to learn coding? It's in English. Want to watch motivational videos? English. Want to use ChatGPT or Google AI? You need English. If you don't speak English, you are missing out on free global knowledge. With spoken English, you stop being a passive viewer. You become a powerful participant in the digital world. Spoken English doesn't just help you communicate, it helps you express yourself. Want to speak on stage, impress in an interview, take others, run your business online. Then you must be able to speak confidently, and the truth is, once you start speaking English, your fear goes away, people respect you more, you start feeling unstoppable. Even in non-English speaking countries, English is everywhere. TV ads, banks, product packaging, hospitals, mobile apps, university books. So, when you speak English, life becomes easier. You don't need to wait for translations, you understand things faster, and you can explain things to others. That's power. Want to grow your mindset? Want to learn new skills? Want to earn more money and help your family? All these roads start with one skill, spoken English. And no, you don't need perfect grammar. You just need to speak little by little with confidence. Every sentence you speak is a step toward your dream future. Spoken English gives you freedom. Freedom to travel, freedom to grow, freedom to express your ideas, freedom to meet amazing people from around the world. You become a global citizen. And in this world, that's a superpower. So now tell me, why do you want to speak English fluently? Drop your reason in the comments below.